Okay, so we got to figure out how to close that modal because we just click on it and it stays open, and there's a way of doing that. Um, we again are still focusing on this area, backdrop area, and we want to focus on modal action negative. Um, and that is where we want to where you click no button and then it disappears. So we're doing that right now. Let's try to figure that out. So first of all, we need to be able to have that variable selector modal action negative. So let me do this. Let me copy, paste, and then let's do, we can call this modal no button, as that's a name. It's a little more direct than, and then the area that with the thing that we want is modal. Let's go back over here. Oops. And action negative. And hit the no button. You want it to disappear. So this is actually a lot of copy and pasting. I think that'll work. Modal action negative. Okay. Now, this is a hierarchy. This is the first thing that got acted. And then this will be the next thing. Like, okay, you clicked it, it showed up in block. You click it again, and it disappears. So in order to do that, you have to do another add event listener, and essentially it's another click, and you'll find that very common. That click is very much a main function. You do the funky parentheses, and then I think we go all right, and then drop dot style dot display equals none, and then there's that modal dot style, and this will make sense in a bit. You can't just turn modal no query. I mean model action negative. You can't just turn that off. You have to turn off what we turned on here as well. So none. All right, and let's make sure that that is good. And essentially, you just copy and paste it, and you change function. All right, you have to copy that and change it to match modal no button. So modal no button also turns off. So they work simultaneously. So I have to save that, and it cleans it up when I save it. So once we've set it up, let's make sure it works. Once we've set it up here, let's make sure it works. And we are here. We save it and bring it here. Choose plan, and it does. It disappears. Great. So it does work. And we still have some work to do, like what happens when you press yes. We need to fix that. It doesn't go anywhere. We still have to do that. All right, and it works.